Alright guys, so we're here on planet Reepor, and I have a few glitches. Here, so we're at the beginning, and we're going why do I have that? Why do I have that? It's better. We're going to go to the right, and get up here. Oh, I'm using a game save, if you did. Whoa! And there's that really annoying voice every time. So, yeah, razor claw around this whole wall, and then you can actually stand on these side things, which you're not supposed to. Yeah, you are supposed to actually. And then you get up here as much as you want to. You don't have to get to the top, but I do. And then jump right on around. You can just walk. And now this one right next to the purple rock, we're going to head up that razor claw. And now go to the right and razor claw up this. You know, normal razor clawing, so boring. You just do it forever, and then eventually you just hit some water sometimes, so that's always cool. So yeah, we're swimming in the water, which isn't really water, and you can jump. You can't swim underwater. Jumping's your quickest bet, but if you go to the walls and jump a lot, sometimes you'll fall through, and you can't go too far out. So you can come here and go check out the waterfall, and then go turn around because you really have no business there. Okay, wait. You see, sometimes I jump. There's a little thing right here, and that's your thing. I just noticed. I'm sorry. I'm like that. I'm weird like that. So, go back to your original area, which is near the dark rock, and walk on right through that rock. You're not walking, you're swimming. What's wrong with me? Right through the rock. So yeah, you're actually swimming on ooze. So yeah, this is the Clank area, if you didn't know. So, I found out that you can go over to this spot and stand. It took me a while to find it. Not really, but I wanted to find it really quickly. So then you can razor claw into the area. Otherwise, you're never going to find a spot to get there. So now you're pretty much walking in this area. Once again, it's a game save, people. It's not mine. So I probably could have made it up here. Anyway. But yeah, you can jump right in the water now, and then you can jump right in the water now, and then you can swim around. But that's really the only spot to get back up. Or you can just die like this. No, I will not die. Zonies don't do anything. And you can probably climb that. And there's that weird thing over there. You can go there and nothing happens. At all. It's nothing. It's fully nothing. And I'm going over here. Wow, was this even in the Clank area? Because I don't remember it. I just want to climb it. And you guys can watch from the safety of your home. Oh crap, this happened with the last one. So yeah, see, you can swim. Once you get far enough swimming, you just fall, which goes the same for when you first got up and you turn around. Okay, see, now I'm falling, and you can try to find cool things to go to, like that spaceship majig. See, now I'm oh, this is the beginning. Yeah. Whoa, dead. Ouch. Right, and this is for getting on top of the elevator when it's out. Like, I just came back and it's not working at all, which is bad. So this is how you get up. Yeah, and this is where you're really stuck. Oh crap, I didn't mean to do that. I'm back where I started. Okay, right down there is where Ratchet starts by himself, and you can go there and redo the whole thing. That might be good, actually. I'm just gonna try to get up this way. Because you can pretty much go wherever you want with these. Okay. There's that thing. I can't really get to it, so I'll have to get higher up. I got 15 ammo. Alright, this is as high as it goes. And I am up. Return to Ratchet. Are they kidding? They don't even let you up here normally. And then they give you something? Look, they don't even let you up here at the elevator. And then like, oh, let's put something up there that they can't get to. You can probably climb up that if you had enough ammo. I'm not sure if you can walk on it. This could be the stupidest thing I've ever done. Ah, crap. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get back up there right now, so pause. I'm just exploring right now. It's right there. That's where I flew from and climbed up. And I'm going to climb the ooze. Maybe. Can't see anything. There it is. Because maybe you can swim at the top. Wherever it may be. I guess it is pretty far away. Okay, there's the top. Oh, up top. No, it doesn't really let you go. So now, time to try this. Shit. You gotta stay on the sides, I guess. No, you can't even make it. Lame. You could probably go up there. Yeah, you could definitely go up there. Okay, I'm gonna try this. It said return to Ratchet, and now I'm Clank. Wow. That was stupid. I don't want to do this. At all. At all. Follow. Yeah, I guess I'll go look for some more stuff if I have time. I didn't really have enough time and out of glitches, so I'm using the wrong controller. There we go. And that's it. Next video. Yeah.